Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. Finishing up this Pleasure Way motorhome van. I just waxed it today, and we did the inside yesterday and today. Washed it yesterday. This was a 2-day job, and we're all finished. I had to shampoo the carpets. We did the whole interior. I washed the windows, the countertops, walls, ceilings. This was a very challenging job. I love challenging jobs. So the wax job turned out wonderful. The roof, you can see, has been gel coated. Every bit of this surface on this motorhome, every surface on this motorhome has some sort of wax or gel coat on it. Rubber, all of the plastic gel coated. Water will bead and run right out of there instead of pool and stain. The gel coat helped remove a lot of the staining out of it. The car wash lady, the motorhome wash lady, is finishing up the carpet in the front here. Still a little wet. And we shampooed the back, the seats. I'm not going to get up in here too much. I don't want to get footprints on the floor. But we did the bathroom. Let me see. Nice and clean in there. Inside the dishwasher, microwave oven, which is back there. All the mirrors and walls and the ceiling fan. Every surface has been cleaned inside here. Inside the windows, inside the screens in the windows. Pretty much everything that you can see. We vacuumed the draperies. Did the whole dashboard and center console, cleaned it, protected it, put protectant on all the seats. All the seats, as you can see, nice and shiny, have protectant on them. The car wash lady did a really good job in here. And she's finishing up. We should be done shortly. Gel coat, all of the rubber, all of the plastic, including windshield wipers. It had this yesterday. This motorhome had no shine to it whatsoever. It was in dire need. Buffed out the bumper, all of the lights. Gel coat on all of the plastic here. So it's not only restoration, it's preservation for, that I look at. And I don't want this video to be too long either, so I'm gonna speed this up. But you can see it's a beautiful vehicle. And you could look at the before video of this. It should be probably at the top or in the middle. There's 3 of these videos right here. So check out the before video. You can see what the difference is. Thank you. You're doing great. Look at that shine. There was no shine yesterday. It was a cloud yesterday. The cloud is off. It's gone. This is beautiful. This motorhome has been restored, including the roof. It's got a lot of shine on the roof. Had no shine. A couple hours ago, there was no shine on this roof whatsoever. Look at that, shining like it should be. It's got gel coat, filled in the pores of the roof and restored the shine. And you guys have a great day. And call a car wash man, motorhome wash man. Season has just begun.